Hi everyone, welcome back to Sky Appliance YouTube channel. If your dishwasher is leaving food behind on your plates and glasses, you've come to the right place. I've worked on thousands of dishwashers and identified 10 main reasons. In today's video, I'll focus on the third one, a weak or burned out circulation pump. But I'm also creating other videos to show you how to diagnose and fix the remaining issues. By the time you're watching this, they might already be available. In today's video, I'm working on a Whirlpool dishwasher, but this video applies to many Whirlpool, Maytag, KitchenAid, and Amana dishwashers. Frigidaire also has this common issue, but I'll make a separate video just for Frigidaire. I'm going to start a new cycle, and the first thing I want to check is whether the dishwasher is filling with water properly. The dishwasher has filled with water, and now I expect to see the circulation pump working and the spray arms spinning. It's been a few minutes and the circulation pump is not doing anything. The circulation pump plays a big role by pushing water through the spray arms, which makes your dishes clean. If the pump is weak or completely burned out, water won't come out of the spray arms and the dishwasher will remain silent after filling with water. When the circulation pump is not running, it could be due to one of three reasons. The best way to test is by checking for 120 volts at the motor pump connectors. If 120 volts is present but the pump isn't running, the motor pump needs to be replaced. Based on my experience, it's almost always the circulation pump. Safety comes first. Make sure to turn off the dishwasher's circuit breaker before proceeding. For this repair, we need to pull the dishwasher out. First, check if the power cord, water and drain hoses are long enough. I'll remove the kick panel to take a look. They aren't long enough, so I'll need to disconnect all three. First, you need to turn off the water tap to the dishwasher. Next, use a 5/8 inch wrench to disconnect the water line. Then use a screwdriver to loosen the clamp and disconnect the drain hose. Then push the hoses toward the dishwasher. I don't trust the circuit breaker labeling, so before disconnecting the wires, make sure the dishwasher can't be turned on. If you have one, use a non-contact voltage tester to confirm. To protect the floor from scratches and water, place a towel on the right side of the dishwasher, then lay the dishwasher down on its right side. Here is the circulation pump and motor assembly. First, use a flathead screwdriver to push the locking tab away and disconnect the connector. Next, use a flathead screwdriver to loosen and disconnect the clamp. Next, pull the pump out of the sump grommet and mounting tab. Here is the new pump and motor assembly. The wires connect here, and this is the mounting tab. This end goes inside the sump grommet. You might want to apply a bit of dishwashing liquid here to help with the installation. This end connects to the sump with a PEX clamp that comes with the part. For this clamp, you can use a PEX clamp crimper or carefully use wire cutters to pinch the clamp. If you don't have this tool and would rather not use wire cutters, you can simply use a narrow band hose clamp. Do not use a wide standard hose clamp like this one, as it can cause leaking. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more appliance repair tips. Let's install the new pump and motor assembly. First, insert the mounting tab. Then push the pump all the way into the sump grommet. Next, use a crimper, wire cutter, or a narrow clamp to secure the hose. Next, reconnect and secure the wires, and then reconnect the water and drain lines. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.